Yeah. Hi. So I was saying that you can't get distracted. Disturbance is always come in your life. It's not only while you study. Ask your parents also when they want to do something, something good is happening, something or the other comes in between. Distraction, disturbances. When you get your mood gets off, your concentration breaks. So when you concentrate on something deeply, you're able to learn things more effectively, isn't it? If you have Ghana.com on your phone, this is just a small advice I'm sharing with you. There is that meditation music. There's one meditation music on Ghana.com, or you can get it on any music channel, or you can get it on YouTube as well. But YouTube, that screen stays open, so it's better you go on to Ghana.com or the Geo Music or any other music, whichever you have. If you have Vodafone or Idea, whatever, type in for meditation, soulful meditation music, or whatever you want meditation, you should add that word, and beautiful music is going to come. You just put it in your ear and close your eyes and listen to it. It relaxes you. Assure me, it relaxes you. It's 100% effective. You come into your senses, your mind starts to decide. You get peace, and don't let other disturbances sound like this, which is happening. The hammer is going on, tadang, tadang, as if they are doing some excavation of history. They're going to pull out something, but nothing is going to come out. I guess they are making some changes in the building or something. They're upgrading to it, something modification is going on. So whatever, so if that sound comes in, don't get distracted. I don't get distracted. So there is disturbance all the way in your life, when you concentrate on something deeply, guys, you are able to learn things more effectively. You just mark my words, try to get rid of meaningless distractions that come in between your studies. Always keep your goal in mind, what you want to do, and work accordingly, as it saves your precious time. That time management comes back again. So everything is on this time. If time passes by, in my next video or rather next week, I'll give you that explanation. I had given it once in your class also. If you calculate how many days are left for you to give your final exams. So now it's going to be longer, or it may be shorter, or it may be easier also. You are very lucky. I must say, touch wood, you guys are very lucky. But if you calculate, the time, then you see so many days left. So I'll show you that calculation one day. So I'll write it and show it to you so that you'll be able to understand. And never compare yourself. I want to tell you, one thing is avoid distraction. Suppose you're studying and your mom is calling, or someone is calling, or your sister is calling. Close your door, tell them. You have to convince people at one point of time in your life where you want to be silent, and your parents are paying for it. Just explain it to them that you are paying for me and you are spending so much of money on my education, so I have to prove it to you. So I need this concentration. I need this silent zone where I can do my studies and concentrate on it. After you finish your concentration, you come out, you play, you talk, and again you go back to your place. Everyone will be seeing that this person is serious and that person is respecting time, isn't it? Like some people are there, they get up in the morning, they are brushing their teeth. They are brushing their teeth. Imagine, there's a flow of brushing your teeth. You go with a flow, with a rhythm. And some people are there, shove the toothbrush in their mouth and they're standing on the floor. They're doing that. They're wasting their time. Where a time takes 2 to 3 minutes to brush your teeth properly, and you have to gargle out and finish, that's done. You clean your tongue and that's all, and you get back to work. Some people will keep on brushing half an hour. What? I was thinking. What were you thinking? Think after you get ready, man. So that's the way life has to be. You have to be fast, you have to go with the time. Time will not wait for anybody, isn't it? By the time I talk to you, when it becomes 14 seconds, 15 seconds, I don't know, then I have to say I'm coming to the next video. It doesn't wait for me. I cannot say, okay, wait boss, let me finish, and then you start your TikTok, you go. But it's that we have to respect. If you respect, time will respect you back, boss. Time is going to give you that success. That's the respect which time is going to give you back. Understood? And distraction has to be a total no-no. Try to become more disciplined in your life. And don't compare yourself. Never do comparison with others, because everyone has their own abilities. Everyone is a diamond within, and capabilities. What you are capable of, I might not be. What I am capable of, you might not be. But so we don't compare. I am good at my place, you are good at your place. Good students succeed on their own capability. It's not that Ronin sir shared with me, so I passed out. It's not that teacher XYZ helped me, and because that teacher taught me, I passed out. It's not that. It's on your capability. What Rockstar did, I did not put anything inside Rockstar. I did not put anything inside Danish. I did not put anything inside. I'm forgetting his name again. Saket and whatever the names are there. I'm very bad at names. So I did not put anything. It was not because of me. It was their own capability. Yeah, it's your capability. You have done it, and you did good. People said it. The director, respected Chauhan, Mr. Chauhan sir said it. All people, all the teachers, the students, they said it. They said it was a good job. So it was you who did it. I was not much busting. I was not doing the commanding. I was not looking smart. I was only there to show you what happened. This is the way you have to do it, and you follow your way. You have to follow your own way. Don't copy what others do. We have seen the Saregama Pa. I had shared one song of these two children, one blind boy and this boy on the Hartford group. I guess I had shared it. I don't remember. This boy, two boys are singing. One is a blind boy. This child, they were in little Saregama Pa, Little Champs or something, and they are singing. It's their own copy. They don't copy anyone. It's their own voice. If I am going to sing like Kishore Kumar today, I can't become Kishore Kumar. I can try to be like him. I can try to sing like him, but I cannot copy his voice. The day I copy his voice, my originality will go away. What is my originality? What is my value? What is my identity? My identity goes away when I go to copy someone else. You see the way I come to school, I don't talk to anybody. I only talk to you guys. I only talk to students. I keep my distance from everything. That's me. I don't compare myself with anyone. It's either me, or you like me, or you hate me. So you are good in your part also. You have your own priorities in life. You have your own thinking in life. You have your own strategy in life. Everything is you, and you. You are a diamond inside you yourself. You are a sparkling diamond. Some diamonds are used to cut glass. Some diamonds are used to wear on the ring. Some diamonds are used to wear on the ear as earrings. Some have to be worn as a pendant. You cannot wear a 0.1 cent on your necklace. Isn't it? Does not make sense. You have to have at least 10 cents to make it look good. Okay, I have this. So diamonds are everywhere. It doesn't mean everyone can't be Kohli, but everyone plays cricket. Isn't it? As my best example, everyone plays cricket, but everyone is not Dhoni. I can want to bat like Dhoni, but I cannot become like Dhoni. Right? Wearing Dhoni's clothes won't make me Dhoni, but I can wear the clothes which Dhoni wears. I can wear the type of clothes he wears, I can wear that, but I cannot become Dhoni like that. If I wear Dhoni's shoes, I cannot bat like him, right? So, comparison lets you down, trodden, and you feel discouraged. So, don't feel that. Don't bother what your friends and neighbors or partners are doing. Don't bother. Because at last, all that matters is your own success, and you have to fight for it. You have to get hungry. You have to hunt for it. Okay. And the most important thing is, never feel scared of your mistakes to own up. Take a stand for what you do. That's the most important thing in life. That's the most important thing in life, guys. I'm telling you. Take a stand for what you do. If it's wrong, you say, yes, I have done it. If it's wrong, it's wrong. I understand, but I think it is right. You may be thinking it's wrong. Okay, then someone else tells you this is wrong. Okay, but I thought it's my way of thinking, I did it. Okay, fine. If it's wrong, I'm sorry. I have done it. Take a stand. Accept what you do. Accept your mistakes and learn from them. Improvise on them. Success will be under your belt, inside your pocket, in your hand, in your fist, in your head. It will show on you. It is good that you learn from your mistakes, because the most important lesson in life can be learned by improving on them. A successful student learns from his or her own mistakes and tries to improve further. Then only you can become successful. You can't learn from your mistake until you admit that you have done it. That's what I'm saying. Take your call. It's your call. Admit it. It's my mistake. Don't say, oh, because of him, I copied from him. He gave me that answer, this answer, that answer. He told me that, so I told you that. So this happened, that fight happened, this happened. You are called to the office. Accept it. If you say the truth, you will be, people will think, or people will think negative, bad only once. But when they think over it, they'll say, no, that person is right, has got the guts to take the stand, admits that this is my fault. Never underestimate yourself instead. Never underestimate yourself. Learn from mistakes, as it's the best thing when you actually the best thing when you yourself get to know what wrong you have done and how to resolve this. If you learn from your mistakes, so whenever a mistake is coming or something is coming to you, you are understanding your sixth sense, that gut feeling inside, sixth sense knocks at your head. Okay, boss, that happened last time, don't do it this, we have to improvise and get over this. And stop committing the mistakes again and again. Once you start committing the mistakes again and again, if you keep on doing the same mistake, you become acquainted to it. Putting what you have learned into practice is yet another advantage for you if you want to be successful in your life. You have done a mistake, you came to know this is the mistake, you know the right thing, then you start doing the right thing again. And on that right thing, you start practicing on top of it, and you create another advantage to be successful. But if you keep on doing that mistake, I'll keep on telling you, you keep on accepting the fact, oh, it's my mistake. Then if I need, even if I want to help you out, even if I want to do or something is going on, and I'll say, okay, that person is going to do a mistake again. So you get into that genre of doing mistakes. So you have to overcome them. Okay, and don't underestimate yourself. That's what Shah Rukh Khan said, don't underestimate a common man. We are all common people. The power of a common man, you can do anything you want, but only you have to concentrate and accept what you do. Okay, and there are some traits of successful students. As the most successful students, that only learning and reading is not just being good in school. So learning and reading is just not being in school. You have to learn and read all part of your life, then only you can become a successful student. It's a lifelong process, guys. I go to school, I'm very good, I sit quietly, I do my studies, everything I go, and my result is 0. And at home I am naughtiness, I don't listen to my parents, I have useless friends, I go out, do this, that. My life is wrong. People don't say good. You have to become a perfect person. You have to have that image. If you have a positive image, if your heart inside you and your brain together match, and you have a positiveness inside you, it will show on your face. You will glow. You will glow like a flower. You will have that glaze. You will have that shine. That person is positive. He's got that attitude, that swag. When that swag comes inside you, you have got that positive attitude. You are sure inside you, I'm not doing any mistakes. Whatever I'm doing, I'm doing. But even if I do a mistake, I'm going to own it and make sure I come to know how to rectify that and go ahead again. So that is how you have to get success. Be positive about learning. Build strong relationships with your teacher, with your friends. Be open to acquiring new knowledge. Try to take in new things. Try to eat, get hungry, eat and then digest that. Responsibility, accept consequences of your own behavior. As I said, I'll come back to this next video in the next week and I'll explain that. That's going to be quite long. You have to accept things in life. We cannot go against it. We have to accept. At some point of time in my life, I didn't have any money. But my parents were very rich and they have their own school and everything and all. Everything is going on fine. I was in the military. I left. At point of time, everything had gone. I didn't go and jump into the sea. I didn't go and jump into the river. I didn't do anything wrong. I didn't go into bad work or anything. I just sat back and did not lose that effect inside me. I've done various kind of jobs, but that doesn't make me small. I accept it. That is how I am. There were bad times, there were good times, and that's how time goes. At some place of time, I must have not respected time. That's why time gave me that thing. If you ask me, am I successful? Yes, I am successful in my own part. I don't have to become the chief minister or prime minister or the CEO of Reliance to become successful in life. I'm successful with what I have done. What I have done, what I have perceived, what I'm doing finds me successful. I'm okay with it. I'm happy. I'm satisfied. So same thing with you also. You decide what you want to do. Your dream structure is that whatever I wanted to do in life, I have done it. I wanted to join the military, I joined the military. I wanted to be in retail, I did retail. I wanted to work with Americans, I worked with them. Okay, I wanted to work, I have worked for electricity companies in the US. 5 electricity companies when I was in Kolkata. I used to take care of the bills, I used to call them up, I used to give them discounts, everything I have done. I have worked in restaurants, I have been in the hotel industry for some time. I was into food and beverages also. I was into retail. I was into security. I have worked as a bodyguard also because I had the military background. Okay, and I have worked with Lee and Levi's, and so I've got various type of knowledges, and I have also sometimes I have gone down zero level. But again, I had that josh, which I say, how's the josh? So you have to have that spirit in life. Don't worry and never compare yourself. What I wear, I wear. I feel cool with it. Okay, it's okay. Even if my shirt is torn, if there's no button, sometimes I'll put a sellotape and use it. That's my shirt. Yeah, I've hard earned it. I have worked hard and bought it for myself. So you may laugh. You don't care. That's your face. You can laugh, but I am cool with it. I am looking smart. That's good. As it is, no one is born to impress anybody. That's what I follow. It's you what you are. Okay. So take care. Best of luck. I hope I was able to boost up your energy. And even if you get bored, please do write. I love critics. Something bad about me, I get into that josh again. So I want to improvise on that. So very good, guys. Take care. Be home. Be safe, and have fun. And please do enjoy your Saturday and Sunday. And see you soon. And if you have any issues, please do jot it down on the group, or you have the number there in the groups. You please drop on a message to me. And I'm putting up some more files today as well for you for your homeworks in grammar, and just keep on solving that and be on that online link, and keep on solving. Thank you so much for listening to me, and God bless you. Take care, stay home, stay safe, love your parents, respect them, and have fun. PS, one thing I want to say is, if you have any birthdays which you know about of your friends and all, or any classmates or anyone in the school has anyone birthdays, you remember the dates, as I don't know them, you just put down a message for me in the group, and I'll wish them on their birthdays. I'll have something birthday wish for them. They'll feel good. Even far away to being in connect. This is the only online thing to get in connected. Okay, guys, see you. Bye bye. God bless and take care.